My name is Elizabeth, written by Anika Dunkley. My name is Elizabeth. I really like my name. I like that it's 9 letters long, and I like all the neat things my mouth does when I say it. I also like that there's a queen named after me, but I don't like it when people call me names other than Elizabeth. Come give your old granddad a hug, Lizzie. Yo, Liz, what's up? It's Elizabeth. Hi, Beth. My name is Elizabeth. Good morning, bestie. Not even close. My name is Elizabeth Alfreda Roxanne Carmelita Bluebell Jones. So Elizabeth yelled at everyone that did not call her name, so they all looked surprised because she want people to call her by her name Elizabeth. But you may call me Elizabeth. Good afternoon, Elizabeth. Hi, Miss Evelyn. Here's a nice pumpkin for your family, Elizabeth. Thank you, Mr. Lee. Hey, Elizabeth. Hi, Billy. Now, how's about the hug, Elizabeth? You bet, Grandpa. Granddad. Elizabeth. Close enough. And that's the end. So how many of you like your name? Yes, I love my name too. All right. Thank you for listening.